99-cent souvenir.
Let's go.
Come
Oh.
yeah? Wow. It's like full open. It's like daytime here.
Well, we're gonna go to 99-cent souvenirs. Wow.
Let's go walking and then we'll come back and
Alright.
sit there.
We're gonna come back and we're gonna get 99-cent souvenirs.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens.
I'm hungry.
Show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right.
Wow. This is the place with the zip line going across it.
'Cause I'm a human being, cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money
I will look at it. It's all right.
I've seen this before. YouTube one lives in Vegas and they went here.
Yep.
Because I remember, they came during the day and she did a zip line.
I'll let go. Your hand just hold my back.
I thought it was real. I thought that was real, fake.
so I can cut it into 2 pieces.
Oh,
And to cut them
beautiful.
both, I have these custom scissors that cut anything. I just sharpen them too, so no one freak out, okay? They were kind of terrifying. Right here. I know you guys don't believe it, so look, I'm gonna cut it at the top. It's what I tell you to do like this.
And have one of those. It's cold. Cold. This is cold. Mama, look up there, Mama.
Got too close.
Look at the show.
Huh?
There's a whole show going on here.
People go crazy, mate.
Huh?
People crazy.
ABC store. Gorilla. Second gorilla, same so far. Look at ABC store, Mum.
That's where it starts.
Where what starts?
The glide thing.
The zip line?
Huh?
The zip line?
Nah.
The what?
We just stopped throwing up. I kept watching that ABC store. Let's go.
Where people start what?
We just stopped feeling sick, whatever. You wanna thing out? There's big box donuts.
Where? Oh my god, yes. They're made out of paper. Tried.
Stop and take some photos and turn around and go back. So we
This is so cool, guys. Hey, Block Donut.
pretty quiet. So we're gonna go back. Ready? Yeah. We reckon.
Good. This is so cool. Huh?
It's crazy.
Now can we go back to the car? This is so cool. I mean, look at the roof.
Oh my bad.
Whoa! Look!
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Let's get ready to rumble! That's actually kind of cool.
Oh, picture. Carlos.
Where? Mom. Mama.
Can't see anything.
Alright, so we just went to 99-cent store. Apparently everything's 99 cents, like I said it would. Anyway, we got keychains. We're going now. Oh look, Em. Look at that. Wow.
Fishcase was good. And a lot of drunken fishcase. Yeah, quite a lot of gorillas.
Okay, so stop. There's people in a gorilla costume, and my dad goes, "I guess," she goes, "Yeah, there's too much gorillas."
Two sisters, full squad, travel let's ride. New places, new faces, worldwide. From the east to the west, we gone unravel. Living this dream, we just love to travel. Cameras out, yeah, we catching the